Today I'm making hand sanitizer spray with only 3 ingredients. Here's what you're gonna need. At least 60% alcohol. Look for ones that say overproof. Vegetable glycerin. ONGUARD essential oil. I reused an empty essential oil bottle by purchasing a spray nozzle separately, linked below, but a spray bottle will also work. A funnel and measuring spoons. If you're reusing an empty essential oil bottle, you're going to need to remove this clear plastic piece that allows the droplets to come out one at a time, like this. Add your funnel, and then 3 teaspoons of your alcohol. Okay. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Followed by 10 drops of essential oil. Everything that I'm using will be linked down below. Remove the funnel. Screw on the nozzle. Give it a shake to combine.